So we're about to go ahead and go get our gas from the gas station. We're about to finally get that out the way, and we're about to go ahead and clean the Copart Camaro because that thing is dirty as heck and it's been sitting here. So we need to get that thing right. And then on top of that, I need to really switch my wheels on my convertible so I can get the mother rims powder coated. So stay tuned for that because that car is about to get to the transmission shop. And no, I'm the transmission shop. I'm about to take the transmission out and get it to the shop. Then we're about to go ahead and get that thing to the paint shop. So I want to go ahead and get everything on there ready for what's coming. So that's why I want to go ahead and switch everything over. But stay tuned, man. We're about to get everything on the way, y'all. Yes, sir. We got our full gas can. I might not start it tonight, I ain't gonna lie. Got that thing looking so good, cleaned up. Got that gas ready. Put that up in there in a minute. But yeah, I'm about to move this convertible in here so I can switch these wheels real quick. Man, we just went through so much, and I ain't gonna lie, it's cold as hell out here. But I know I wanted this thing done and complete tonight, so we finally got the stocks back on this thing. And I honestly like the stocks on here. We got to clean up some armor all. But one thing I can say, these back tires are slicks. Those are street slicks, but they are bald. The front ones was good. but these have some good meaty tires all around. So we're gonna have these things on here until we get this thing broken down to the shop and have this thing getting revamped up. So stay tuned for that. This thing is about to turn around. But before we end it, we're about to go ahead and clean this thing up. So let's get to it, man. Get this dirt knocked up off of these things for real. See, it don't clean up too bad with the Armor All with the original wheels. I like the gray. Gray and clear windows always does the job. That's why I can't wait to get this thing like freshly painted with that fresh top. Nice set of decent wheels. Get that fresh weather stripping around the windows. It's gonna be lit, man. I cannot wait. But we're getting there little by little, y'all. We got this thing definitely looking a lot much better. Now it's time to clear the garage, y'all. Yes, sir, man. This thing is definitely looking good. Got these beefy comp tires on here. These back ones is super wide compared to the front. Super meaty. But yeah, we looking good, man. Let's get it going. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here the next day, man. Yesterday we had a lot going on with these cars. So my whole motive between switching the wheels around, because the black rims I had on my convertible, I've been supposed to take off that car when I was in my apartment, but I never did because I wanted to get new tires and powder coat those wheels. So I ended up throwing them on the black car for the meantime until I get that thing running, get the head gasket switched out on the Copart Camaro we got from the auction. And then I got the stocks back on the convertible so I can daily drive that thing. But I have to go ahead and get a few things done before we have that thing running and riding 100%. So that's the whole reason why I did everything. We still not done. I still end up switching the wheels on the black one. Not all, but 2 sets. I still got the other 2 up over there. So right now we're about to go ahead and switch those other 2 wheels on the black Camaro. And then we're going to go ahead and show y'all the motor because we've been stripping it apart little by little every day. But like I said, I got that car from the auction. It wasn't firing on. Me and my dad got the fire on and cut it on, and luckily, shout out to my boy BUILTBYDRE. He helped me out through the phone. Ended up being blown head gasket from all the things he guided me to check. Now we got that squared away. We are good to go to switch the gaskets, go ahead and get cut the cats, put some fresh catalytic converters on there, and we're gonna have that thing running and riding 100% good. So it's game time, man. We have to go ahead and get to it. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what it is. So we have to go ahead and put these other 2 on here. Got the back and the other front. These tires are really kind of dry rotted, so we're gonna get some fresh ones. So this is the Camaro from Copart. This thing looks so much better with the black wheels. This thing is looking good. It gives it a whole different look than the stock chrome ones. I like the black. So today we're gonna finish getting the rest of these body panels up off of here, break all this up off of there. And then we're gonna pop these whole side panels off. I'm not a fan of all that. The stoves, that ones, we took these ones off the side. We gotta get some body work on those holes. We're gonna get this one up off the wing, and then we're gonna get this back one off this back bumper. But yeah, I don't like it. I don't even like it with these chrome wheels no more. It looks terrible. I gave it a wash yesterday, but these wheels still make it look a little bit nasty. So we're gonna do our thing with it, man. I love these cars. That's why I got them. Since I've been in high school, man, it's been always something to catch my eye. We just got to make it the way we want it to be. But starting off, we are there. Like I said, we got the stocks up on this thing. Looking good. I got to get that bottom panel that I'm missing. And then we're going to get this thing to the paint. But first, we got to get this thing 100%. Because I'm telling y'all, I don't live that close to the city, man. And one thing about it, I don't like depending on people, and I want all my cars to be what they need to be. So when I'm out here riding and sliding, everything is exactly on point. So that way we ain't having no issues. Things gonna happen regardless, but you could prevent it. But I don't want my stuff out here just going down the drain and then be waiting on tow trucks and all that. So we're gonna take our time, get these cars right, come back to it, and y'all gonna see the difference for sure, man, because it's only the beginning. Yeah, sir, man. We done finally got the wheels on here. I'm loving the black on black. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We gotta just get these ugly little body pieces off that I really do not like. But like I said, we start stripping the motor. We got one of the heads we start breaking down right here. We're gonna go ahead and take that exhaust manifold off from the bottom with the 3 bolts from the cats. Do the other side, pop both of the heads off. Get them cleaned in machine, get the fresh gaskets, and put them right back on here, and get this first startup real soon. Since we redid it, we got a startup video. If you watched the first few videos when I first, if you watched the first few videos when I first got it, you've seen how I was pushing a lot of smoke with the milky oil. So we're gonna have this thing looking real good very soon. So stay tuned for that, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait. But I know how it is when y'all dealing with Dre, man. We gotta go through something before it's sunny daylight, man, because everything is not always gonna be perfect, but you gotta just make it what you want it to be, man. That's why we got the joint out here looking that much better. Make sure I enter the win into the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We got the truck back there, right there, paired together with the ROADGLIDE right there, man. Get in to win it, man. We got both of them joints right there ready to go for first place. Second place, we got the 2015 ROADGLIDE up for grabs. So get in and win it while you can right now for $25 in the description below. All you got to do is go in there and grab you a keychain or 2. You're going to get entered to win, and we're going to be locked and loaded. And we going up, because I'm telling you, we almost sold out. We got first and a second place now. So now we just turned it up even much more. So that's why now we got to get it in and make it happen, because we on a time limit and a time crunch. So we trying to get it going as soon as possible. But like I said, get in to win it, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We working.